Noises at Night by Beth Raisner Glass and Susan Lubner, illustrated by Bruce Whatley. When my room is dark and I snuggle in bed, my eyes should be closed, but they're open instead. I hear noises at night. They float through my house. The bark of a dog and the scratch of a mouse. I like to pretend when I shut off the light, the noises turn into adventures at night. Drop, drop, drips the faucet I hear down the hall. It's not from the sink, but a ship sailing tall. I stand at the helm, I'm a sea captain now. I skim over waves that slap onto the bow. Hiss, hiss, sighs the heater when it's getting hot. The snake that I'll charm is curled up in a knot. I play a sweet tune, then the snake starts to dance. He rises and sways himself into a trance. Vroom, vroom, roars a truck as it drives through the rain. And now I'm a pilot preparing my plane. I rev up the engine, we're ready to fly. We speed down the runway, then head for the sky. Whee! Whee! Shrieks the wind as I pull up my sheet. It's really the whistle I blow in the street. For I'm a policeman in blue head to toe, directing the traffic to stop and to go. Boom, boom, rumbles thunder, my ears start to ring. A drum roll is playing, I'm ready to swing. I take a deep breath, then I grab the trapeze. I glide through the air as I hang from my knees. Creak, creak, squeaks my bed when I turn on my side. It's really a treasure chest opening wide. I followed the map and I dug through the sand. I'm an explorer with gold in my hand. Tick-tock goes the clock, almost ready to chime. I ride through the west as my horse trots in time. I round up the cattle and lasso a stray, and hold down my hat as we gallop away. Tap, tap, knocks a branch that falls down from a tree. The crack of my bat makes the crowd cheer for me. It's out of the park, and I score the last run. My teammates are shouting that I'm number one. Shh, shh. Can you hear it? The last noise at night? It tiptoes around me and stays out of sight. It's soft and it's gentle. I can't hear a peep. The sound of the quiet now puts me to sleep. The end.